Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring another amazing topic that affects all of us: how your diet impacts your mental health. It's something we all need to be aware of, so let's dive into the science and practical tips to improve our mental well-being through better nutrition. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's talk about the connection between the gut and the brain, often referred to as the gut-brain axis. This is a complex communication network linking your digestive system with your central nervous system. The gut and brain are in constant communication, and what you eat can significantly influence this relationship. One of the key players in this connection is our gut microbiome. The gut microbiome consists of trillions of bacteria and other microorganisms living in our intestines. These microorganisms play a vital role in digestion, immune function, and even the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals in the brain. The emerging field of nutritional psychiatry. Nutritional psychiatry is an emerging field that examines how diet can improve mental health, potentially helping patients shift from pharmaceuticals to food-based therapies. It's fascinating how what we eat can impact our mental well-being just as much as our physical health. Key nutrients and their impact on mental health. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that have numerous health benefits, including supporting brain health. They are found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3 South are crucial for maintaining the structure of brain cells and improving communication between them. Studies have shown that people who consume higher amounts of Omega-3 South have a lower risk of depression and anxiety, and folate are crucial for brain health. These vitamins are found in leafy greens, legumes, eggs, and lean meats. They help produce neurotransmitters and support overall brain function. A deficiency in B vitamins can lead to symptoms of depression, fatigue, and cognitive decline. 6. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining optimal brain function. Even mild dehydration can affect your mood, energy levels, and cognitive abilities. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and include water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges in your diet. Seven. Avoiding processed foods. Processed foods, including sugary snacks, fast food, and soda, can negatively impact your mental health. These foods often contain high levels of sugar and unhealthy fats, which can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress. Consuming too many processed foods has been linked to increased risk of depression, anxiety, and other mental health disorders. Practical tips for a brain-healthy diet. Now that we understand which foods benefit our mental health, here are some practical tips to incorporate these foods into your daily diet. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast that includes whole grains, fruits, and protein. Include fatty fish in your meals at least twice a week. Snack on nuts, seeds, and berries instead of processed snacks. Add leafy greens and legumes to your salads and meals. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and limit sugary beverages. Incorporate fermented foods into your diet to support a healthy gut. Patterns can reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. Diets rich in vegetables, fruits, fish, and whole grains like the Mediterranean diet have been shown to reduce the risk of depression. Conversely, diets high in processed foods and sugar can increase the risk of these mental health issues. and vegetables, packed with B vitamins, magnesium, and antioxidants. Fruits rich in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Fatty fish, high in omega-3 fatty acids which support brain health. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. Legumes offer plant-based protein and fiber. Whole grains help maintain steady blood sugar levels. Fermented foods support a healthy gut microbiome. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.